This is how you can do a text reveal effect using Capcut, and it's free. So this is our original clip. First, let's add our text. Tap on text at the bottom. Select add text, then type your desired text, style, and position it to your liking. Extend the text track to match your video's duration. Once done, you should get something like this. Now let's export this, but we're not done yet. Go back to your editing timeline. Tap on the text track and select delete at the bottom. Next, let's add the video with text that we just exported earlier. Then tap on the video without the text. Look for overlay and tap. Position the playhead at the start of the clip. Then zoom the timeline until you see the clip broken down into frames, 5F, 10F, so on and so forth. Next, select the overlay track. Scroll through and look for mask. Select horizontal. Tap on adjust. Go to rotate and set it to 90 degrees. Tap on the down arrow. Next, position this mask just behind your walking subject. Once done, add your first keyframe. You should now see this red diamond. Then move your playhead every 5 frames and reposition the mask again behind your subject. This should add an automatic keyframe. Repeat the steps until you reveal the text completely. Export, and here's your final output. Follow for more.